Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Randy from Connecticut. Randy's asking, I saw that you now have a product called Protect Your Business with Forms. Can you tell me exactly what is included? I'll be happy to, because I know when you're buying something online, you're not sure what it really has and does not have. Well, first of all, I want to let you know that it all comes on a USB and it's all downloadable. But I have a printed copy here for you just to give you an idea of what is included. The whole idea of this product is to truly protect your business. So on it, you have all sorts of protocols. You have, I don't know how many consent forms. Let's see, over 30 different consent forms, from Botox to fillers to microneedling to PRP to Sculptra, you name it. It has them all in here, so that way you're protected. It also has pre and post care instructions. It has all the different protocols for every single treatment. I mean, as you can tell, this manual is like page after page after page with information. Now, as far as whether you need it or not, if you're a medical spa, you definitely need this product. If you're a day spa, then not so much. I just want to make sure that you know who this product is ideal for. But it all comes ready for you to use. All you have to do is download all the information, and then you can customize it, put your logo on it, and then be able to use it right away. I have to say, it's very important that you have the proper consent forms. The reason these are better than others is because they were all created by an attorney. So we teamed up with Allison Avila, and she actually provided us with this information. So I'm not a lawyer, and I'm not gonna say that I created this product, because I did not. So she actually provided it for us so we can make it available for you, our community, and to protect yourself. I also did a webinar with Ed Kuhn last week about all the different liability insurance and the changes that's taking place in that industry. And I would highly advise you to go and watch it and see what you really need to do to protect your business from an insurance standpoint. So if you have the proper consent form and you have the proper insurance, this way you're truly protecting your business. And that's what we want to do. We want to make sure that you're totally protected and nothing is going to harm you. And when you have the right legal forms in place, then you're protecting your business, your team, and your family, really. So that's why you should take a look at it and actually get a copy so you have it. Do you have a question? Make sure you write us to info@inspirationmanagement.com, and we can answer your question as well. Until next time, stay inspired.